Family Black Phoenix checking in with you, man. I'm just getting off the job site, headed on the freeway, man, on my way to the house. And I wanted to say something, man, to my folks out there who's welding, who's doing iron working, or any type of installation or construction job. You know, when you're doing those hard labor jobs, I mean, it puts wear and tear on your body, just like a vehicle that you just run down. So you got to take care of yourself, man. You got to treat your body wisely, and, you know, make sure you can live to retire, you know. But think of it this way: your body can only do so much. So what you want to do is you want to work your body, but you want to work your money. So as you make money, you want to have your money work harder for you. So that way you ain't got to work no 50 years and retire, you know, physically on a trade, or 40 years or 60 years. And then you say, oh, I'm retired now, I'm going to kick back. But now you want to kick back and enjoy life, but you all broke down. Back messed up, knees messed up, hands messed up, shoulders messed up, can hardly walk. You know, I know a lot of guys, man, who done put a lot of time in these construction trades and fields, man, and they broke down like at 50. Like doing bad, like always holding their back, always got this issue. So this is what I decided to do. I decided to work as long as I can work physically, you know, while I'm strong and able, and to get the money I need, so that way I can switch the game over, and now I can use my money to work hard for me. So, you know, you should think about it like that, man. I mean, cut your habits, cut back on the things that you like to spend money on, and invest your money, because money is a capital, you know. So if you invest money properly, you'll be able to benefit from it, and it'll work harder than you. You ain't got to feed it, you ain't got to treat it nice, you know what I mean? You ain't got to cater to it, you ain't got to kiss his ass. You just, like, you know, put it over here, it's gonna work for you. Put it over there, it's gonna work for you. So we know we're gonna get to a time in our life where we don't want to work anymore, as far as physical labor, being out here really busting our ass to get a job done, you know what I mean? So it's gonna come to a time where you're gonna have to understand investments, how to invest, and also understand how to provide a service that's not going to be as hard on you, or to provide a product that you can make in your leisure time. So, you know, a lot of us still want to work and do certain things, so make your products, you know, in your leisure time, and sell your products on top of, you know, you letting your money work for you. But while we're healthy and able right now, I think it's only wise that we would work and want to, you know, get our money up, you know, if need to change our life. Because, you know, majority of us that do these trades, you know, we weren't born with no silver spoon in our mouth. You know, maybe the engineers, you know what I mean, that's doing the drawings and all that, but majority of us that's doing this trade physically out here, building these buildings, putting stuff up, building the infrastructure of America, we wasn't born with a silver spoon. We was born with a wooden spoon. You know, either our moms or dads had to work hard, or we had to have food stamps or hand-me-downs, and, you know, it goes for both sides of the spectrum, any color. You know what I mean? It don't matter what color you are. You know, the way the game look at it is, if you stand in a certain community or you from a certain area, it might was poor over there. So, you know, they didn't have as much money as they do in other places. So you have to keep that in mind. So, I mean, I get it. I just want you to wake up and be wise enough to put your money where your mouth is, man, and to invest it. Like, check out the stock market, see what's going on. If you don't know nothing about it because, oh man, I'm scared, I don't want to put money in here, and I don't know nothing about what's going on. Well, learn about it. We learn everything. You know what I mean? I heard a guy say today, don't let a crackhead out-hustle you. And I know you thinking like, what do you mean? How am I gonna let a crackhead out-hustle me? Because crackheads stay broke, but every day they come up with a way to supply their habits. They don't go tell the drug dealer or whoever they getting their drugs from, you know what, this week I'm gonna have to wait until next week until I get some money. Nah, they hustle 24/7, holding a sign, sweeping the floor, selling cans, whatever got to be done for them to get that habit, they gonna do it. So how are we letting a crackhead out-hustle us? Like, it's insane. So while you breathing and you're able right now, get on your grind, man. Stay on your grind. You know what I mean? Don't kill all them fucking excuses on why you can't do it. You see what I'm saying? Don't even say that shit no more. Throw that can't word out the window. Don't say I can't. Say how can I? That's what you do. You know what I mean? Everybody know we ain't born of money. But once we figure out what we want and what we need, we can come up with the money. You know, if we got to save, if we got to push some habits back, if we got to do some yard selling, whatever, man. Don't let no crackhead out-hustle you. You know what I mean? Don't let that happen. And learn how to let your money work for you. So those are two things, man, I want to leave with you. Don't let no crackhead out-hustle you, and let your money work hard for you. Hog on.